How to download and install Visual C++ Redistributable in Windows 10 and 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install Visual C++ Redistributable in Windows 10 and 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, then you simply have to click on the search bar and there you simply have to type Visual C++ Redistributable Microsoft Download and simply press enter. And here on the search result, you simply have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official Microsoft downloading site. Now, here you simply have to click, or from here, you simply have to scroll down, and there you can choose the correct version for you to download. So, here, as you can see, there is the visual support from 2005 to 2026. So, here you can download the latest version by simply clicking on this option. And now here, after that, you simply have to choose the correct version like x64, x86 or ARM64. So here simply choose the correct version like x64 is for 64-bit Windows, 86 for 32-bit Windows and ARM64 for ARM devices. So simply select the correct one and after that you can simply click on it and here you can simply select the file location and after that you can simply click on save and once the file is downloaded, then what you can do is simply go to the top right corner and there you can simply click on the download icon. And now from here, you can simply click on this Windows folders icon. And after that, you'll be prompted to the location where you have downloaded that particular file. Now here, what you can do is simply click on this installer to download the Visual C++ and now here you can simply check the box and click on install and you can simply click on yes to give it a permission and after that the installation process will start and that's it. That's how you can install Visual C++ Redistributable in Windows 10 and 11. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.